everybody, and welcome to my BJD Beautifully Jagged channel. I have another package. It's been a few days ago since I did my last video, but I actually got another one in the mail, and I'm excited to share it with you. It says tools on the package, but I can feel little feet and legs in there, so I'm pretty sure it's a doll, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. Before I open the package, though, I wanted to thank my subscribers. Yes, I only have 126, but I'm very excited about those. When I hit 100, I was so excited. My husband got a kick out of me because he has a YouTube channel called Saint Mute, ST Mute. And he has 20,000 followers. He even has a video that's been hit over 8 million times, or what they do. But I'm excited to have mine, and because I have the best YouTube followers ever in YouTube history. And I'm going to call them now BJD Beautifully Jagged Family, because they're my BJD family. Yay, I have a family. So we're going to get ready now, and we're going to open it up. Okay, guys, we're ready to open up the package. I'm excited. Yay. I don't know for sure if it's a doll, because it does say tools on it, the outside, and I did purchase a lot of grommets and different things I use on leather for the doll clothing, so it possibly is not a doll, but I just swear that right in here, I felt what was like little feet and legs, but I could be completely wrong. It may just be the plastic, because this is actually hard plastic in here, which is really unusual for a doll. Anyway, let's see. I'm going to do the right countdown this time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Oh my gosh! It's little. Look, look, look. Oh my gosh, I did feel little feet. These are those. I forgot about, well, I didn't forget about ordering these. It's just been a long time ago, and I wasn't thinking about them at the time. Oh, guys, these are so cute. I don't really know why I ordered these, except for the fact that I seen them, and they were so precious. I was like, I have to get these. Look at these babies. Are these not the cutest things you've ever seen in your whole entire life? I mean, these are stinking cute. I cannot get over how cute these are. Let's open this package up and get these little babies out of here. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I should have done like that, huh? Slide it out. Oh, doesn't it just make you want to cry out of just how cute they are? Look at this. Look, they all have, I guess that's an owl. It's like, oh, they're all sleepy babies too. Look at this. I'm not sure what this pink one is. It kind of looks like, is it a raccoon maybe? Look, they got little tiny wings on their backs. They got little diapers on that are permanent, and little outie belly buttons. It's an outie. Look at their little sweet face. Seriously, these are so cute. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. I just think they're so freaking cute. Their little legs don't bend, but their arms move up and down. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I have no idea what animal they are. Could this be, it's not a panda, is it? Koala maybe? I don't know. Maybe they're made up animals. Maybe they're not like any kind of real animal. Because they're kind of... Now that's a dog. I can tell you that one's a dog. Look at those little tensions. They're so cute. Aww, they're so adorable. What am I going to do with these? I love them. They are so stinking cute. Aren't those just stinking cute? Look at these. Look at those. Oh my god. These are precious. Now we just got to figure out what to do with them. Leave comments. Tell me, what do I do with these adorable little babies? I mean, these are the cutest little babies. Oh my gosh. They're so stinking cute. Let's see if they all stand up. Oh, they do. They all freestand up by themselves. That's totally cool. Oh, whoop. The domino effect. Stand up there, guys. You're on camera. Go out of camera there. Okay, maybe they're like laying down better. Those things are so cute. Leave me a comment. Tell me what ideas you have to do with these precious little babies. Anyway, leave me some comments. Tell me what you think about the little babies. They were really, really, really cheap. I will post a price. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but I'll post on here the price and what store from AliExpress that I purchased them. It did take a while to get them, like 3 months, but everything takes forever now. It's starting to get a little bit better on the shipping. So hopefully if you order them, you'll get them sooner than I did. Subscribe. If you haven't, do so. I love subscribers. I can't say the word, but I love to get followers. That's better, much easier. So subscribe to the channel and show your friends. Do a thumbs up. I like thumbs ups, not thumbs down. Thumbs up helps my channel. And it's small, but it's growing. Hey, we're going to get there one day. If not, I'm happy with my family as it is. So again, until the next video, thanks guys for sharing this opening with me. And I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye.